Inclusivity isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation of great teamwork and innovation. At Google, inclusivity is deeply embedded in their culture and values. It's all about fostering environments where every perspective is valued, every voice is heard, and collaboration ultimately thrives. This is why you will be asked questions around how you have supported slash led efforts around inclusivity in Google's Googleyness and leadership interview. In this video, I will provide a sample question and answer for actively promoting inclusivity in a team. And remember, while inclusivity is strongly aligned with Google's values, it's also essential in all work environments. Let's dive in. As always, let's imagine our fake interviewer Sue asks us the following question. Jeff, can you share an example of a time when you actively promoted inclusivity in a team or project? How did your efforts impact the team dynamics or the project's success? Sue, this is an example from my time as a program manager at DataSync Solutions, a mid-sized SaaS company specializing in analytics tools. I was leading a project to develop a new analytics dashboard specifically for our enterprise customers. Our team consisted of 12 people from engineering, design, marketing, and customer support. The team faced challenges collaborating due to different communication styles, definitely varying levels of seniority, and a lack of structured processes for soliciting input. In addition, remote team members often felt overlooked during these discussions. So, my primary responsibility was to create an environment where all team members felt heard, and we had to deliver this dashboard in a 4 month timeframe. The first action I took was to conduct a detailed inclusivity assessment within the team to understand the existing challenges. So I created a survey with targeted questions about communication preferences, barriers to participation, and perceptions of team dynamics. I use meeting analytics tools to track speaking time, specifically identifying disparities in participation time among team members. And then next, I conducted a benchmark analysis comparing our team's inclusivity practices to industry best practices, and I sought the advice of a diversity consultant. The next step I took was to design an inclusivity roadmap because I wanted to map out specific goals that could have measurable outcomes. So I established some key objectives, ensuring each team member had the opportunity to contribute with the goal of reducing participation gaps by about 30%. And then I defined clear meeting protocols such as structured brainstorming sessions with equal allocations for each participant. And then I scheduled regular asynchronous feedback sessions to just gather input from team members in different time zones. And we use Slack as our primary communication tool to do that. Then I wanted to hold individual discussions to gain deeper insights into team members' perspectives. So I spoke with each team member to understand their specific challenges and propose tailored solutions. I also shared these survey results to build transparency and trust, inviting input to our proposed inclusivity roadmap. And then I worked closely with senior team members to enlist their support in modeling inclusive behavior during meetings and all decision making processes. Then we piloted it. So these inclusivity initiatives, we just did it with a subset of the team. So we conducted a workshop to test these new practices, including silent brainstorming and time box speaking turns, ensuring equal input from each person. Then we created a shared digital workspace for this collaboration and tracked engagement metrics to gauge participation, and we held retrospective sessions with the pilot group just to gather some actionable feedback and refine the framework before scaling it across the full team. After testing, we rolled out the inclusivity structure to the entire team. We implemented real time feedback tools like Google Forms during meetings to anonymously capture input on inclusivity and decision making. We rotated the leadership roles in meetings to empower quieter team members and encourage them to present updates and or lead discussions. And we monitored participation metrics using dashboards and checked in regularly with team members to ensure inclusivity goals were being met. After executing, we organized a launch event where team members showcased features they championed, ensuring each voice was recognized. We integrated feedback from diverse team contributions into the product's functionality, such as accessibility options and customizable interfaces. And then we published a summary report for stakeholders detailing how inclusivity directly influenced key design decisions. And then we presented these outcomes to leadership and other stakeholders. We specifically focused on delivering a data driven presentation showing how inclusivity efforts boosted team engagement and reduced product delays. We showcased the business impact, including satisfaction rates from beta users and improved usability metrics. And then lastly, we shared testimonials from team members and stakeholders about these positive impacts. And then my final action was just to document this out for best practices for future projects. I created a detailed playbook outlining the inclusivity methods and tools used and lessons learned. And the results. Team members reported a 35% improvement in collaboration satisfaction, directly contributing to the on time delivery of this dashboard. Customer feedback of our initial dashboard was overwhelmingly positive, with 80% of the beta testers expressing satisfaction with the product's usability. The team's improved dynamics carried forward to subsequent projects, reducing friction and definitely enhancing productivity. And the biggest win was that this inclusivity framework became a standard operating procedure for cross departmental projects moving forward. Wow. As always, these examples are pretty robust for the purpose of these videos. It's just really important to remember when going to interview at Google, your position isn't just about managing tasks. It's about creating an environment where every voice is heard, every perspective is valued, and every team member thrives. And as you've seen in this example, promoting inclusivity isn't just about feeling good, it's a game changer for team dynamics and definitely for project success. If you want to stand out in Google's Googleyness and leadership interview, focus on the impact of your actions and the team's actions, not just outcomes. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think would find it helpful. Thanks so much.